Good morning. Welcome to our Sunday morning briefing and November 29th. We're here at the Cameron Peak Fire, and I'm Bert Plante. I'm the Planning Operations Section Chief for the Gold Team. We're still continuing our operations out on the fire. The fuels group is moving on to the 517 road, if you're familiar with the area. They've got multiple days of work to do coming down into that area. So we're covering ground slowly, but there's plenty of work going on. The repair group is trying to get up to the fish hatchery today. It's going to involve trying to ford the river up there from the roadsides that we're on to try and repair some dozer lines that we put in around the hatchery to protect it. The suppression group, which is still in the Pingree area, is still finding heat. We're still locating hot spots, burning snags. We're locating logs and stumps. And we even detailed a couple of engines that aren't quite as occupied down here up into that area to help. They're going to be working on putting those things out, trying to make sure it's safe and nowhere near the line. And that involves some hiking around. I guess there's between 6 and 9 inches of snow up there, which to me sounds like an awful lot, and to you it's what, a light dusting, I suppose. Again, we still have several engines down in the southeast part of the fire. The structure group, they are finishing pulling out all the hoses and pumps and various frozen appliances we have in that area. So we don't feel we need them anymore. I think we're pretty safe there. I do want to mention that yesterday we did respond to an escaped campfire. We had units on their way up to the Pingree area come through, and law enforcement reported they had a campfire getaway. There was a wildfire going on. We had to take our resources off of the assignments they had and send them to the fire. I mean, we do have a burn ban for a reason. It's pretty dry out there where there is no snow. All of our south-facing slopes and our slopes that are facing west are getting lots of sun, and the snow is disappearing. So the grass is out there and it's available. And you don't need a 100,000-acre fire to burn down someone's property. You can do that in a half an acre or an acre. So we're asking you all, please be careful and exercise caution. And on that note, I wish you all a good day. We'll talk to you very soon.